Alright, Tom, so we had to cut a hole in the ceiling, so I thought that might help you figure out where the damage was. While it was raining, it is leaking right there. And over in this, you see the water is coming in there and then dripping right there.
Straight where your hand is, though, to the
So yeah,
rear, too.
I gotta see where my hand is here. Oh, so it's coming from over here and then dripping right there. Also, if you look in this, yeah, in the back here, it's also leaking right there. Yeah. And this is the fireplace wall. So here, I wanted to shoot this while it was still wet in here, in case it dries up tomorrow. And then everything else over here looks okay. There's a little moisture there, tracking, but it's mainly right on that fireplace wall. You can see here, fireplace. Fireplace.
In the middle, I thought it was leaking too.
And then you can see the ductwork from the fireplace right inside of that hole. And right there.